Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a month since I've been back. I was on vacation celebrating my birthday, and then when I got back it was time for work, so I had no time to record any videos. But I came back to just do something quick and easy for you guys due to the time of year. It's, Halloween's around the corner. It's time for pumpkin patches, pumpkin pies. And I was like, you know what, orange seems like the most appropriate color for this video. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe below, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I decided to go with orange because of the time of year. It's pumpkin time and pumpkin season. I don't do Halloween, so I will not be doing any Halloween looks. But it was a pretty fun look. I was kind of iffy about the lip color, so give me some feedback on that, if I should have done a different color or if this one works. And let me know what you guys think. So don't forget to subscribe down below and share with your friends. Let me know all your thoughts and more comments, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.